Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today we're playing Hide and Seek Extreme. I think it might be extreme.
We played one round, but we played only one round, but I missed it, so I have played 0, but he's played 1. So I decided to vote.
And you're it. Yes, I know really good hiding spots in this
Guys,
game, and I'm gonna say.
I was gonna say to you, comment down below. Do you think if I'm gonna be it, he's gonna be it, or neither
Georgie,
gonna be
I'm
it,
just like
or
this.
we're both gonna be it?
Look at my doge. Look, Georgie, look what I'm doing. Bye.
I
Bye. Bye.
Why am I it? Why?
I know really good hiding spots in this game that Georgie doesn't know.
I let you use my iPad though.
Georgie, I'll never find this. It's literally the best. Someone's just standing there.
On chat, everything says server. Seriously.
Yeah.
You guys can't see it, but it has like, I'll show, but it,
I want to chat though. How do you chat?
oh, I don't know how to do it. You got
I'm
3
chatting.
seconds. Oh no, not the backyard. Hi, bye. Hey, you died.
Georgie, look what I said on chat. Georgie, look at chat.
You said haha.
With emojis.
Server.
Hey
Someone
Georgie,
has left
I'm on
today.
top of the roof. Georgie, I'm on top of the roof. No, Georgie, I was on top of the roof. On top of the birdhouse. Did you listen? I was on top of the birdhouse.
Where would someone be dumb and hide?
Georgie, I was
Guys, pause this video right now and
Georgie, I was on top of the birdhouse.
and comment down below.
Oh, I found one of my
everybody's
friends.
Don't
Come on, Doge.
skip to the end.
Georgie, I found one of
I
my
just go,
friends.
I found it,
I found one of my friends. Look what... Oh, you're close to me. I know where you are. I
Yes.
see you. Bye. Wait, I'm going to turn this to full. Hear it?
I just saw someone.
You know, Georgie, I'm on top of the barbecue.
Come on, I'm not going fast. How
I'm
do
on
you go
top-
fast?
I'm teleporting onto the birdhouse. I'm on top of the birdhouse. Hey, Georgie. Hello. Georgie, you're not going for me. You're just going for her.
Because the girl might leave me. Yeah, she led me to another person.
I'm on top of the birdhouse.
I wish I didn't have that glitter behind me. And that would have been so easy. I could have just gone the, I'm not the hider. Yeah.
We have an it tag on you, so it's quite obvious.
She just left the game. She just left the game and I almost got her. Hi.
Did you reset his character? Because you know I'm meant to die.
I just got Jenny credit, you know.
I just said bye.
I don't know that.
That's because you're not near me.
Who got that? I see someone.
That's me. Dylan, bye. You can't get up here. Hi, Georgie.
No, no! Guys, you can't see here.
I'm on top!
Say hi for me.
I'm not over there. I left.
Found someone though.
Georgia, I actually mowed my
Wait,
spots.
is that Sophie? No.
Georgia, I mowed my spots. Why you were doing that?
You see me, don't you?
Yeah.
and I'm thinking of resetting my camera because I have no idea.
Georgie, I was actually hiding under the tree. Now that you left. Yes!
No. Oh, 4 people.
Maggie's playing!
Maggie.
Yes, EP Eamon survived.
So go to sister and see if she's joined the game. Wait, so just say, hi, you're on YouTube because yeah, you got me.
There! What if it was Maggie? Oh, there she is playing. What if it was Maggie?
That is funny. Did you tell her you're in the video? If it is
yeah.
you, I'm gonna laugh.
Because we have a friend called, I have a friend called Maggie. She's playing. She now.
Whoop. Ah! I always go in a magazine.
Don't need me, Maggie. Maggie, I want to show you my Doge pet.
Did you find Maggie?
Yeah. Maggie, I'm
There
saying
is
hi.
Maggie.
Georgie, I'm pressing the high taunts. Maggie!
Is she running away from you? You got 30 seconds, I'll be fine, guys. Where are you? Guys, I think my brother's gonna forget. Spectator. Can you chat on this game?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you can. Hey, how do you chat? How do you chat? You said Maggie. Okay, that's his friend.
You're there, Maggie. Maggie's just bouncing on the bed.
Hold it down.
Maggie, I'm here.
She can't see because she don't chat it.
Did you? I just bounced onto that and it bounced.
Guys, we have been super dumb. We have not been spectating it. It isn't moving. It is not moving.
It is AFK. Oh no, probably he just doesn't want to be it, so he's wasting his time.
He can literally just reset his camera. But guys, we're gonna go through some cool spots then.
Georgie, look what I am at. Georgie, look what I've done.
Oh, that's really good. Guys, by the way, don't forget to visit Jamie's channel. So if you wanna visit.
Bye bye. Wait, where's Maggie?
Wasn't this one a teleport? I thought this was
I'm just gonna say bye bye to Maggie. Where is she?
I like this is the highlight spot. No, is it the other one? Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, I know that one.
I love it. I thought they blocked it forever.
They never blocked it.
Well, if it's a new update, maybe they did block it. For some reason, I feel like smelling chocolate. Yeah, this is
You
where
can
I
go
like
inside
the
there
area.
and, guys, Georgie, follow me.
You can actually see through.
Follow me. Follow me. Look, watch this. Wait, it was the wrong one. These now never gonna get us.
It is on the move.
I know, I just saw him. Hi, it. I'm waving to it. I see him. I'm chasing it, guys. Oh my god. Okay, now he's turned around. Why do you have to turn around it? Why?
Hi.
Oh, I did the teleport.
He's did the
Oh, it did the teleport too.
He went down. Yay.
Wait, he's not near me though.
Jamie, he's going for you.
Can he see me?
He's not going for me. He's going for you. No! But I got paid.
Yes, I lost him. I lost him. I lost him, guys. Now let's get back to my secret spot.
He's coming for me.
Hey, it. What's up? It. What's up, it?
Hey, it. He's running away. He's running away. Hyatt.
I'm my dog pet. Hey, it.
Okay,
What's up, it? Ah!
I just ran into him. I wasn't looking.
Well, that's no.
Oh, look, we have some of it. Hi.
Wait. Yes! I lost him again. This is easy. Guys, look at the teeth doing the same. Oh no, I didn't! Georgie, look, I jumped right next to him. No. Sorry, it. Bye bye. Come on, Doji. Spectate me, Georgie.
Guys, we're just gonna move this so you can see what Jamie's doing.
Georgie, look where I am. I got rid of him! Oh! Now put it back. Put it back. The game has ended. Maggie survived too.
I was the last person that died. Sorry guys about that. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
It's gonna be a stinky pee.
The store, I love the store, but my favorite is Ethan's bedroom.
I found a glitch in this game, but I can't do it.
I'm always interested who's
The
going to
glitch is you get the make it rain money, 25 Robux. you do that. You do that and jump. It flings you across the page.
Guess who's it?
Do it.
Guess who's it?
Me.
No.
Yes.
That you can't get me.
But
there.
Georgie, guess what I have? I brought this. I brought a weapon, and guess what my weapon is? Super speed. So I can just speed after you, and I can see you on the computer.
Hey, that's unfair.
Yeah, but that's what you do to me when we played it on our last video.
No.
Someone left money for me on the counter. Thanks. Let me go! Because I know where you're going. Oh, I know that spot. That was my favorite. You can go onto that can. Show them.
Really? I
Yeah.
didn't know that.
You can do it.
But you're gonna get me because you know. Don't look. Oh,
do that
you're
to
never
me.
gonna get me.
I've done it before, Georgie.
But please don't try to attack me. Ooh.
I already got someone. I see a bunch of people. Why are you idiots giving your spots away?
Can you not go after me?
Nope.
If you miss it, I'm gonna laugh.
I see you. But I don't know.
You can only stand on the black thing.
No. Did you jump down?
No, I'm still there.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Jamie.
I'm speeding. Ha! What's the point of it? Hi, bum. Boop. Yeah. You're dead. This is easy. Just need to find some more guys to kill. Is anyone up here? Just do a quick check. Money. Nope. No.
So, guys, we're gonna wrap this video up now.
No!
Because we have 15 seconds left.
Okay, then.
We have to do this quickly. Comment down below what you think video, what we should do next, and subscribe if we get 500 subscribers. We're gonna be